What's up guys, Andrew here, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to zoom in on the navigation on your driver display. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit more so that you can see it. Right, so this is the navigation on the driver display, right? And in order to zoom in, it's super easy. You just want to look on the steering wheel of your Skoda Kodiaq, and you can use this controller here to zoom in and out. So have a look at this. The more I zoom is actually zooming in on the map, right? And I can roll it like this and it's actually zooming out, right? If I roll it forward, it actually zoom in. Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now, let's continue. So that's it guys, that's how you can zoom in and out on the map in your Skoda Kodiaq on the driver display.